Welcome, traders. Today we dive into the world of divergence, a key concept in trading that can signal potential market reversals. Buckle up. Divergences occur when price movements clash with technical indicators, suggesting a market sentiment shift. Think of it as a hint from the market that things may soon change. Spotting divergences isn't rocket science, but it does require a keen eye. Using indicators like the RSI and MACD can help. Let's dissect some examples. Keep in mind to follow 2 or more strategies before you make a trade. Just bear with me, you'll thank me later. A bullish divergence happens when the price of an asset is going down, but the indicator is going up. This means that the selling is getting weaker, and the price might start going up soon. People who trade often see this as a sign to buy because they think the price will go up. A classic bearish divergence happens when the price of a stock or investment is going up, but an important indicator like the relative strength index indicator is showing the opposite. This is a sign that the price might start going down soon. So, here's a recap. When the price goes to a lower low but the indicator shows a higher low, it's a good sign that the price might go up soon. That's called a bullish divergence. On the other side, if the price reaches a higher high but the indicator shows a lower high, it's a warning sign that the price might go down. That's called a bearish divergence. These are the classic types of a divergence. In another video, we'll talk about something called hidden divergence. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.